Hi, welcome to English 100 Online. My name is Mr. Anthony Gregg, and I will be your course instructor for this class for the duration of the semester. I wanted to make this video just to kind of help you navigate through the online course a bit. I know that this new D2L looks a little bit different, so I do want to kind of take some time out here and show you how to access some of your documents that you will need to access for the remaining of the semester. The first thing that you will see whenever you log into the class is you will see course announcements. So you will automatically be on the course homepage. Your announcements are very important because they let you know when assignments are going to be due. I also tell you how to submit certain assignments. I tell you what we're doing for that given week. And so it's just kind of good to read your announcements just so you can be in the loop on things and understand what the objectives are for that given week. If ever I make changes to the course schedule or the syllabus, I will also post that change here as well. So again, make sure it's going to be of extreme importance that you read your announcements every day or every week. And I would suggest that you will check your D2L course homepage at least frequently because I might constantly post things throughout the week. If for some reason you forget to read your announcements for a given week, you can always scroll down to see the older announcements. I don't ever delete out announcements for that reason. Of course, your most recent announcements will be at the very beginning of the page here. But if you need to read older news items, just scroll all the way down your page, okay? All right. The second thing that I want to explain is how to find documents under the Content tab here. Now, when you click on Content, you will have various modules, and one of the most important modules that you should click on first is called the Course Information Watch Welcome Video module. Within this module, I do give you various documents that will be very important for you, especially the course syllabus. You have Part A, Part B, Part C syllabus. Right before your syllabus, though, you have a welcome letter. I highly recommend you click on that link and read the letter because it just basically introduces you to certain things in the class. It lets you know what the objectives are. If ever you have technical difficulties with the online class, I do give you contact information for the right people to talk to as well. Make sure you look at the D2L Navigation tutorial. That's what this is right now. And I also have a welcome video. I don't like the way I look in that video, but it explains the gist of what you're going to be doing in the class. So you have these three resources to use if ever you get lost trying to navigate the course. Right? Now, as you can see, you have three different syllabi here in the class. You have Part A, Part B, and Part C. Now, Part A and Part B, although those two are very important, Part A is the universal syllabus that talks about policies and regulations for the entire college. Part B is a departmental syllabus. It talks to you about what goals you should fulfill before the end of the course in general. But Part C syllabus is the one that you really want to refer to in the class because that is my course-specific, the class-specific syllabus, and it will tell you what you will need to do for my class. So you want to click on that. And when you do click on that, you can read information about attendance guidelines. You can read, have my contact information there, my email. I give you some information about your grades here. I explain how I grade, when I'll have your grades posted, things like that. And you also have a breakdown of your grades as well. And if ever you have a question about something in the syllabus, please do reach out to me and let me know. My contact information is right here. Right. Next, please scroll all the way down until you see your course schedule. So this says spring, but you have a course schedule for whatever semester you're in, fall, spring, or summer. It doesn't matter. but you do want to click on that because your course schedule is designed on a week-by-week basis. So if you click on it, you'll see that there's a week-by-week plan, and for each week you'll see exactly what you'll be doing for that particular week. I tell you where to submit your assignments. I tell you what needs to be done, how it needs to be done. Again, you want to kind of compare this course schedule to what I have in my announcements on the course homepage, because if ever I make changes to something in the course schedule, I will always post it in the announcements category. So just make sure that you read your announcements and you have this printed out to kind of compare what I have. Whatever I have in the announcements will supersede what is here in this course schedule. Okay, but you still want to go ahead and print this out. And up here you will have dates, important dates. You will have your withdrawal date. You have your midterm grades date. You will have, if you have a break, you will have those dates as well. So this is going to be very helpful. Again, I encourage all of you to print this out so you can have this on hand. All right. Now, I am going to make other videos. I'm going to make a video for your discussions as well. So whenever you go to do that, when you go look at your discussion criteria, please look at the video there as well. You definitely want to access that. I'm going to have a video for your writing assignments as well. You want to make sure you listen to that so I can explain to you how you will write your discussions, why it's important, and I will give you information about your writing assignments as well. Right? You also want to click on your grade calculation sheet. So this course, you will have various assignments, and each assignment is assigned a certain number of points. And so in all, you will have a total of 1,000 points in the class. And so your final grade will be whatever you get, whatever number grade you get or number you get out of 1,000, that will be your grade. So you'll divide the top number by 1,000, get that number, and then multiply that by 100, and then you will have your numerical average. And it explains how to do that right here at the bottom. Okay. As you can see, your discussions and your essays are the most powerful assignments in the class because they weigh more. So just make sure that you get those turned in as soon as possible, and you do them the right way so that you can get as many points as possible. I do give good feedback, so my suggestion for you is just to make sure that you read my feedback, learn from it, and do it better the next time. And of course, you have your grammar assignments. You don't really do too much grammar in here, but you do have 2 grammatical assignments that I have. And when you read your announcements, when it's time to do grammar work, I will explain that in the announcements as well. Okay. All right. So to get to your discussions, you'll click on that. To get to, if ever you want to submit an assignment, though, you'll click on Assignments folder. At one point it was called Dropbox, but now it's called Assignments. Essentially, it does the same thing. But when you click on it, you will have various folders, and you will click on whatever folder we're currently needing to access at that time. So for an example, if you're needing to upload Essay 1, you'll click on Essay 1 folder, and it will give you an option to upload or add a file. You'll add your file, and then you'll add it. And then once you submit it, you should get an email as confirmation that I have received your essay. Okay. And you will submit your grammar assignments here as well. Okay. And if ever you need to email your classmates, because I do encourage collaboration, you can always scroll down. You have a list of people in the class with you. You can just put a check mark beside the person you want to reach out to. As a matter of fact, your welcome letter tells you to reach out to a few people in the class just to kind of introduce yourself anyway. So that kind of gives you practice on how to do that. If you want to email me, you can just you can put your check mark beside my name, and you can email me individually. If you email me something that I think that the whole class should know about, I will address the whole class. So just be mindful of that. Okay. And so again, I look forward to working with all of you in the class. I'm very excited about this semester. Work hard. If you're flustered, if you don't know what you're doing, if you're lost, please do reach out to me. I, expect for the first couple of weeks for things to be a little bit nerve-wracking, but after the first couple of weeks, it should become a habitual thing on what to do in the class. So don't worry. If this is your first time taking an online class, I'm here with you. I'm here to support you in every way that I can. Just work hard and follow the schedule, follow your calendar, follow your announcements, and you'll be fine. Again, I'm going to have videos here to talk to you about discussions and your essays, so please do make sure that you look at those as well. Thank you so much. And again, my name is Mr. Anthony Gray.